Okay, welcome back everyone. So today I got a new product here coming from our Roadwarrior lineup, something I'm pretty excited about. So in here we have a brand new Detroit DD15 EGR cooler. I believe this one is if you go by the OEM part number, the Detroit number, it's the last three digits are the 575, so it has the male end going into the venturi tube. This is the first one we've ever gotten. I know EGR coolers have been a big problem for us, especially the Detroit ones, even the OEM reman ones we've been getting. We've actually had a high failure rate. I've had one that I put on a truck and it was literally failing before we even started the truck. It was leaking coolant already. I've been looking for a good, reliable aftermarket lineup, and this one here is roughly $400 cheaper than the OEMs we've been buying. So other big takeaway with this also is there is no core, and it's not a reman, it's a brand new unit. So like I said, this has been an area we've kind of struggled in with finding, other than OEM, other outlets. We've ordered some from some reman units from online sites out there. I'm not going to mention any of those at this point, but they've still had soot in them. They've rejected our cores. And then after a customer's gone as a shop owner, after 3 weeks and I get a core back, it's returned, and I get stuck with a $600-800 core charge. It's really hard to deal with those situations. So I'm hoping this will be a good solution for it. So I'll quit talking here. We'll open this thing up and see what we got. Oh, and it actually came with the little isolators, or bushing tubes, whatever you want to call them. So that's a plus. Oh, this is actually the 475. So my mistake on that. So this is the female type fitting. The 575 is the one that has a longer snout, I guess you could say, with a male where the rubber hose goes on that, or silicone hose goes on it. So it actually came with all these doodads. So this one goes here, then the smaller two we had. So it's basically got, as long as your hoses and everything are good, clamps are good, it basically has everything you need to install. So yeah, I like the looks of this better than, like I said, some of the OEM ones that we get in here. I mean, some of the OEMs still have looks like they have hot spots in them still, even after remanufacturing. So we're going to install this on a truck today and see what happens. So I feel pretty good about this. So if this is something you're interested in, give us a call, check out the website, and we'll do the best we can to help you out. They save some money and hopefully have a better product here. So thanks for watching. There'll be more to follow with our Roadwarrior line. We've got a couple other products that are coming out we'll be showcasing as well, so stay tuned for those. With that, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and thumbs up, like the video. So see you next time.